Wireless control, dual barrel recycling. Baiyi pure electric rear-loading garbage truck adopts dual barrel recycling operation mode. With wireless remote control, it greatly improves the efficiency of garbage collection and transfer of garbage cans. The vehicle is small and flexible. The street is widely used. The whole vehicle is pure electric, pollution-free, low noise, and will not cause noise pollution to the lives of residents. The 3.5 cubic garbage box can hold 20 to 25 barrels of garbage in a standard 240-liter garbage can with a large carrying capacity, high working efficiency.